This video covers Morehouse's homework for Thursday, January 19th. Question 1. In the table below, list each of the rational numbers in order from least to greatest. Then, list their opposites. Finally, list the opposites in order from least to greatest. The first example has been completed for you. First, we can see the example problem. Negative 7.25 is less than negative 7.1. It's farther into the negatives, or farther away from 0, to the left on a number line, or below 0 on a number line. One way to think of this is it's more negative, so it's less. Then, we found the opposites of both numbers. We can see the original numbers were negative, so the opposites are positive. And we list the opposites in order from least to greatest. This time, 7.1 is larger, or is smaller rather, because now we're in the positives. If I have $7.10, that is less money than if I have $7.25. Both are positive, so it's a simple least to greatest order. Let's look at another example. Ordered from least to greatest, I know that negative 1/2 is less than 1/4. The reason is that negative 1/2 is less than 0. It's in the negatives, whereas 1/4 is positive. Next, I'll find the opposites of both these numbers. The opposite of 1/4 is negative 1/4. The opposite of 1/2 is positive 1/2. And I should have said the opposite of negative 1/2 is positive 1/2. Now, the order of least to greatest flips, because negative 1/4 is less than positive 1/2, simply because it's in the negatives. Your job is to complete the table. I'm going to give a homework helper on the rest of tonight's homework if you want to pause the video here. In question 2, you simply need to pick one of these 4 options that is truly less than 4,253.647. Remember, the alligator mouth of our inequality always faces the larger number, so you're looking for the number that is less than 4,253.647. Finally, on the last page of tonight's homework, you are simply doing some fraction review. Practicing your multiplication. Numerator times numerator equals denominator times denominator. For example, 5 times 3 is 15 over 60. We could simplify this. Don't forget to do so. And in question 4, you're converting fractions to mixed numbers. For example, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Denominator stays the same, 13 over 4. These questions in part 3 and 4 are really review, so if any students are having difficulty with 3 and 4, I strongly encourage them to check in with Ms. Kness.